Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need to begin where the phone trusts you. Unlock with your existing PIN, password, or pattern. This authenticates changes. Once done, open settings and go directly to security and lock screen. Make sure the phone charge is above 20% so it won't shut down mid-process. Also, back up photos and contacts before proceeding. This step avoids panic if a reset becomes necessary. Now tap Fingerprint and Face Unlock. You're ready to remove or replace the stored fingerprint entries. Authenticate using your PIN, pattern, or password to access the fingerprint manager. This prevents unauthorized changes. Next, tap the fingerprint you want to change and choose Remove or Delete. If multiple prints exist, delete only the one you intend to replace. After removal, reboot the device to purge any cached biometric data. This small step prevents the old fingerprint from lingering. Once the phone restarts, return to the fingerprint section and select Add Fingerprint to begin enrollment of a new fingerprint. Now enroll the new print. Follow the instructions and lift and rest your finger slowly. This captures multiple angles. Make sure to tilt your finger to include edges and the pad. Coverage improves recognition. If enrollment fails repeatedly, delete all fingerprints and start fresh. Sometimes a conflict between partial prints blocks completion. Finally, test lock and unlock several times. If the sensor still has issues, clean it gently with a lint-free cloth and re-enroll. That troubleshooting tip usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.